Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change Apple ID account password. First, you just need to open your settings on your device. Then at the very beginning you will find the Apple account here. So you just need to tap on it, and from here you just need to go to the sign in and security. Tap on it, and from here you can find the change password option here. You can just tap on change password. So you have to enter the verification code that you will get to your email address that you have associated with your Apple account, so or the Apple ID. So you just need to enter that verification code. Then it will ask you for some security question maybe, or the password. Then you can just verify yourself, and then you can just enter a new password, and then you have to confirm that new password correctly. After that, remember that new password, and then just tap on the change password option, and then confirm that you want to change the password of your Apple ID. Then you can just easily change your password of your Apple ID, and make sure that remember your new password so you can just avoid any type of hassle. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Till next time.